Dear friends, you daily receive your messages on your social networks, on Facebook, on WhatsApp, through your cell phone. First, you read messages and then you try to put reply and response as soon as possible for your friends. And one of your friends sent a message specially for you, but you don't try to understand that message and you don't try to give reply. Who is that friend? That is your friend Allah, your God, who created you. And you will return back to Allah after spending your life here in this world. And unfortunately, you are busy in your activities and your life with your friends, with your family, and with your business work, but you cannot keep 5 minutes to understand message of Allah. To give you this opportunity and this purpose, I will help you, inshallah, your friend, and we will both try to understand message of Allah. Allah the Almighty sent the Holy Quran for Muslims, not only for Muslims, for all human beings, for mankind. This Quran is guidance for all people, Hudan lin-nas, Hudan lil-muttaqin. This Quran is guidance for God-fearing people. And that's it. I think you, inshallah, will try to understand message of Allah. Daily, we will, inshallah, sit for 5 minutes to understand the message of Allah. Today, we have Surat al-Fatiha, the first chapter of the Holy Quran. Fatiha means opener. When you open the Holy Quran, you find this surah in the beginning. This is opener of the Holy Quran. And another meaning of Fatiha, this chapter, Shifa. Shifa means good health. When you are sick, in any kind of sickness, you can read this surah 1 time, 2 times, or 3 times. Then you ask, request Allah. Allah the Almighty, inshallah, will bless you with good health. So Surah Al-Fatiha is the very beneficial surah for you. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. It means I seek refuge in Allah from the cursed shaitan. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. It means in the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful. And our teacher Mufti Taqi Usmani wrote, all merciful, the very merciful. And in other translation, entirely merciful and the especially merciful. It means Rahman. Rahman means entirely merciful. Allah the Almighty is entirely merciful in this world. For Muslims, for non-Muslims, for believers, for non-believers, for good people, for bad people, for hypocrites, for all kind of people. But in hereafter, Allah the Almighty will be merciful only for Muslims and good people. They will enter paradise, and except of these good people, enter hellfire. May Allah protect us from the hellfire. Ameen. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. All praise is for Allah, Lord of all worlds. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, the most compassionate, the most merciful. Maliki Yawmiddin, master of the day of judgment, the day of requital, the day of recompense. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'een. You alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help. Ihdina as-sirata al-mustaqim, guide us along the straight path. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. The path of those you have blessed, not those you are displeased with or those who are astray. Ameen. Inshallah, see you tomorrow with next lesson, but don't forget to subscribe our channel. Assalamu alaikum.